my friends went on a surfing expedition to Houtman's at Brollis, about an hour north of here and 65 kilometres offshore. And he said the waves, he'd never seen waves like it in his life. He said they just came in, these huge, big, perfect waves over these coral reefs. And he said...
To teach, we're always saying, no, this isn't, because they'll try and go over it and they'll just get washed back.
Oh,
so you got to dive under. So you dive under and you...
So you dive under and stay inside the wave. And
so when it's breaking, you go over the rolling ones, like you float. When the waves that are breaking, you see with the foam, you get about this far in front of you and you dive straight down or jump down and you let it go and you go underneath it.
Oh right, cool.
And then you come up on the other side and you use your feet to push yourself off the bottom to spear out of the water.
Right.
Tea or coffee?
Oh, coffee, thank you.
Tea, please.
And to surf it.
Just water, please.
To surf it, you got to find which way
Cool,
it's going, and you use your hand as the paddle. So,
oh, that's cool.
So you can flip. It depends on how good you are. You can put yourself into the wave like that. It depends on it's best if you're left hand. And you use that as your paddle, and that's how you steer yourself along the way without a board. Some people are really like they just control the body. I'm not so I can't speak, but my friends can speak very well. Yeah. And they can bar themselves. But I think you push. I can't do it, but push with your hands somehow push into the wave and they'll shoot out of it.
Oh, there's two old guys.
Yeah.
Go down where they get a bit of a big fella.
No way.
They've got little bits of free fly on their hand. That's terrifying. I won't do that.
No.
Just the
Did
same
you hear them
going
screaming?
Forward, 'cause it's the same length, but you're hanging over the people hang over the back.